Today, I'm sharing an easy DIY skincare hack that help make your skin feel baby soft, smooth, hydrated, and natural glowing. Start with 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin oil. Then, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix everything well until smooth. Your deep moisture skin saver is ready. This soothing blend of Vaseline, aloe vera, and glycerin help moisturize and calm refer dry skin. Aloe vera refresh and smooth, while glycerin lock in moisture to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Micro droplets of Vaseline jelly help protect the skin barrier, wash and prevent dryness without feeling heavy or greasy. Together, they provide long-lasting hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and healthy looking. Perfect for daily use, especially for dry, irritated skin.